Hello YouTube, welcome back to yet another video from MJ Studio. My name is Muhammad Jamshad. If you are a photographer or if you are passionate about taking photos, you might be having a lot of good photo collections in your hard drive or in your laptop. In this video, I would like to introduce 5 websites where you can sell all those photos and start earning money by sitting on your couch in your home. So without further ado, let's go to those websites. The first website in the list is Alamy. Here you can see they are having 175 million stock images in their collection. So for you to start upload your photos, you need to register first, which is of course free. Once you upload your photos, they do quality checks from their side, and if they feel the photos quality is up to the mark, they approve our photos and then we can continue uploading into this website. Here they determine the price and they give non-exclusive right to us, which means we can upload our photos here in this website and the same photos we can upload in some other websites and we can earn money. Here they give 50% commission to each of our photos they sell in their website, which means if they sell our photo for $10, we get $5. The second website is Shutterstock. They are one of the biggest and popular photo stock websites available right now. Here also the registration is free. During registration process, you need to upload minimum 10 photos for their quality check. Out of that 10 photos, minimum 7 have to be approved. Then only we can continue upload and sell our photos. They also give non-exclusive right to us and we get 25% commission to each of our photo they sell. Next one is iStock. Here the registration is free. During registration you need to upload minimum 3 photos for the quality check. Again, once they approve those photos, we can continue upload and selling our photos in this website. They give exclusive and non-exclusive rights to us and we get 15 to 45% commission to each of our photos. They are having their own community forum where we can visit. We can browse through all those photos they have and we can get inspired. Next one is Getty Images. This is also one of the popular photo stock websites available. Here the registration is free. We can start uploading our photos once they do a quality check on our photos. They give 20% commission to all our photos they sell in their website. They also give exclusive and non-exclusive rights to us. The last one in the list is Adobe Stock or Fotolia. This is a photo stock website from Adobe. Here also registration is free and we can start uploading our photos. They give 10 to 63% commission to each and every photos they sell. Of course, the commission depends on the quality of our photo. I have given links to all these websites in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.